Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about growth hormone optimization. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end, because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1, the setup here, is what mainstream medicine will not tell you. Growth hormone is arguably the most powerful anti-aging and body recomposition hormone in your entire body. It builds muscle, it burns fat, it repairs tissue, it improves sleep, it keeps your skin tight and your energy levels through the roof. And after age 30, your natural production starts dropping by about 15% every single decade. So what does conventional medicine offer you? Two options. Option 1 is do nothing and accept that aging means getting fatter, weaker, and more tired every year. Option 2 is synthetic HGH injections that cost thousands of dollars per month, require a prescription most doctors will not give you, and come with a laundry list of potential side effects including insulin resistance, joint pain, and organ growth. But here's what they do not want you knowing. There is a third option, a peptide stack that mimics your body's natural growth hormone release pattern. It works with your biology instead of against it. And the side effect profile is so clean that researchers have called it one of the safest approaches to growth hormone optimization ever studied. I am talking about CJC-1295 combined with Ipamorelin. This is not synthetic growth hormone. This is your own body producing more of what it already makes naturally. And the science on this combination is absolutely remarkable. ACT2, the science, let us talk about what the research actually shows. CJC-1295 is a growth hormone releasing hormone analog. In plain English, that means it tells your pituitary gland to produce more growth hormone. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a single dose of CJC-1295 elevated growth hormone levels for up to 6 days. 6 days from one injection. The mean growth hormone levels increased by 2 to 10 times above baseline. Now Ipamorelin. This is a growth hormone secretagogue that works through a completely different pathway. It mimics ghrelin and stimulates the pituitary to release growth hormone in pulses. Research published in Regulatory Peptides showed that Ipamorelin produces significant growth hormone release without affecting cortisol or prolactin. That is massive. Most growth hormone secretagogues raise cortisol, which can actually work against your goals. Ipamorelin does not do this. Here's where it gets really interesting. When you combine these two peptides, they work synergistically. CJC-1295 amplifies the signal while Ipamorelin triggers the release. Together, they create a growth hormone pulse that closely mimics what a healthy 25-year-old produces naturally. You are not injecting a foreign hormone. You are restoring your body's natural production to youthful levels. ACT3, how it works, let me break down the mechanism so you understand exactly what is happening in your body. Think of your pituitary gland like a factory that produces growth hormone. When you are young, this factory runs at full capacity. As you age, the factory slows down. The machinery still works, but it is not being told to produce as much. CJC-1295 is like turning up the thermostat in the factory. It binds to growth hormone-releasing hormone receptors and keeps them activated for an extended period. The modified version with DAC, which stands for Drug Affinity Complex, has a half-life of about 6 to 8 days. This means sustained elevation rather than brief spikes. Ipamorelin works differently. It is like pressing the start button on the assembly line. It triggers your pituitary to release growth hormone in a pulsatile fashion, which is exactly how your body naturally does it. Healthy growth hormone release comes in waves, not constant streams. This pulsatile pattern is crucial because it prevents receptor desensitization. Your body does not become resistant to its own growth hormone. When you combine both peptides, you get amplification plus activation. The result is growth hormone output that can rival what you produced in your physical prime, and because you are working with your body's natural systems, the side effects are minimal. No water retention, no joint pain, no insulin problems, just clean natural growth hormone elevation. ACT4, the protocol here is exactly how to use this stack for maximum results. The most effective protocol uses CJC-1295 without DAC combined with Ipamorelin. Dose each peptide at 100 to 200 micrograms. Inject subcutaneously into belly fat or thigh. Timing is critical. Take your injection on an empty stomach either first thing in the morning or right before bed. Growth hormone is suppressed by food, especially carbohydrates and fats. Wait at least 30 minutes after injection before eating. The bedtime protocol is popular because growth hormone naturally peaks during deep sleep. Injecting before bed amplifies this natural rhythm. Many users report dramatically improved sleep quality within the first week. Frequency should be once or twice daily. Some run this 5 days on and 2 days off. Others run it daily for 8 to 12 weeks, then take a break. Both approaches work. Cycling prevents receptor adaptation and keeps the response strong. For training, combine the stack with resistance training 4 to 5 times per week. Growth hormone amplifies recovery and protein synthesis so you can train harder and recover faster. Keep protein intake at 1 gram per pound of body weight minimum. ACT5, week by week results. Here is what to expect on this protocol. Week 1, you will notice improved sleep quality almost immediately. Deeper sleep, more vivid dreams, waking up feeling actually rested. Week 2, recovery starts improving noticeably. Muscle soreness after training diminishes. Energy levels throughout the day become more stable. Week 4, this is when the body composition changes start becoming visible. Skin looks tighter. That puffy look around your midsection starts reducing. Muscle fullness improves even if you are in a caloric deficit. Week 8, the fat loss becomes undeniable. Stubborn areas that never responded before start leaning out. Muscle definition improves significantly. People start asking what you are doing differently. Week 12, full effects are realized. You should see measurable improvements in body fat percentage, muscle mass, skin quality, and overall vitality. Many users report feeling 10 years younger. The payoff: you now understand something that most people, including most doctors, will never know. Growth hormone optimization does not require expensive synthetic hormones with dangerous side effects. Your body already has the machinery to produce optimal levels. CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin simply restore that machinery to its youthful function. This is not about cheating biology. This is about working with your biology. You have the knowledge now. The question is, what will you do with it? The science is out there, and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol.